Hey guys, welcome to Amy's Kitchen. This is Amy and that's Richie. Richie. Today is Lanterns Day. In Chinese, it's called Yuanxiao Jie. Happy Lanterns Day! Lanterns Day. In Chinese, we say Yuanxiao Jie. Yuanxiao Jie. It is on the 15th of the first month by Chinese lunar calendar. In Chinese, we say 正月15. 正月15. On Lanterns Day, we're going to eat 汤圆 or 元宵 to celebrate it, as it means family reunion. 团圆 as 汤圆 sounds like 团圆. It has a long history. 很长的历史 Way back to Han Dynasty, over 2,000 years. Many people are confused about 元宵 and 汤圆 as they look quite alike. So what's the difference? The size, the color, or the fillings inside. Actually, there are many differences. The way they made. 汤圆 is made by wrapping, like wrapping dumplings, wrapping 汤圆, and 元宵 is made by rolling snowball, rolling 元宵. 汤圆 is a little complex to wrap, and 元宵 is easier. So today I'm going to share how to make 元宵. Chocolate Yuanxiao, 巧克力元宵. Its Chinese name is called 元宵. Chocolate, 巧克力. Glutinous rice flour, 糯米粉. And a little water will be needed. 水. Now let's get started. 让我们开始吧。First, put glutinous rice flour into a bowl. 碗中加入糯米粉。Peel the chocolate. 剥开巧克力。Peel. 剥开。Dip a little water in the bowl. Roll it in the glutinous rice flour. 裹上糯米粉。Dip a little water again. Roll it in glutinous rice flour again. Keep doing this a few times until you can't see the chocolate and the ball getting bigger. Repeat it a few times. Repeat, 重复. The first 元宵 is completed. It looks big enough. Now let's start the second one. The second one, 第二个. In the same way, 用同样的方式. The second one is completed. 第二个完成了. The third one is completed. 第三个完成了。That's the last one. All completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I made 6 元宵 today. 我今天做了6个元宵。The next step is cook them. Heat the water to boil. Now the water is boiled. Put yuanxiao into the pot. Heat it for 10 minutes until they are getting bigger and float on the water. They are getting bigger and floating on the water. It's done. Remove them to a bowl. 把它们盛在碗里。Wow, it looks great. 看起来很棒。Please try it. I'm going to make another dish very soon. Green pepper and pork are prepared. It's done. Richie is waiting outside the door. He must be very hungry now. It's time for dinner. 晚餐时间到了。That's fried pork with green pepper, 青椒炒肉 and some fruits, 水果。Let's see how it looks. Wow, it looks great. It's a little sweet and a little chewy. It's great. 很好吃。I'm also try this one. Fried pork with green pepper. 青椒炒肉。A little crispy. It's great. I'm going to share this recipe next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.